Hello and welcome, Victor here from Auto Matching Crewe. Today bringing you this Ford Kuga 2.0 TDCi EcoBlue ST-Line Edition. Finishing bold black and powered by 2-liter diesel engine producing 150 PS paired with manual transmission, this Kuga blends dynamic styling with everyday practicality. The ST-Line body styling includes automatic halogen headlights with LED daytime running lights, a sculpted bumper design and black mirror caps for a sharper appearance. 19-inch alloy wheels not only amplify its sporty character but also enhance road grip and responsiveness. And the rear features LED lights, dual exhaust setup for sportier finish, as well as parking sensors for stress-free maneuvering. The boot offers practical space for everyday tasks and adventures. The 60-40 split folding rear seats and adjustable seat backs ensure versatile storage configurations. Rear passengers enjoy sculpted seats with adjustable head restraints, central folding armrest and ISOFIX mounts for child safety. Up front, the driver enjoys sports-inspired interior with leather trim details and red stitching, alloy pedals and flat bottom steering wheel. Both seats offer manual height and lumbar adjustment to support longer journeys comfortably. The leather-trimmed flat-bottom steering wheel houses controls for cruise, media and voice control, while the neatly arranged dials and sync-free interface keeps key information close. Red stitching continues the ST-Line theme throughout. The vehicle comes with dual-zone electronic automatic temperature control, and the infotainment system offers Ford Sync Free with DAB digital radio for crystal clear sound, as well as phone and mobile apps connectivity thanks to Bluetooth connection and app integration. Built-in satellite navigation, which helps you guide every journey, as well as settings menus allowing you to customize car features including valet mode and camera preferences. This has been a presentation of the Ford Kuga 2.0 TDCi EcoBlue ST-Line Edition. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.